Let's learn about letter A, B and C. A is for apple, A is for arm, A is for X, A is for arm, A is for ambulance. Letter B. B is for bus, B is for boy, B is for bed, B is for ball, B is for bee, B is for balloons. C. C is for cat, C is for car, C is for cow, C is for cake, C is for camel.